Okay friend, it's time to get started on installing our cargo net. Now there's going to be a whole bunch of different ways you can set this up. Essentially what you want to do is find each of the four corners. As I start spreading this apart, I'm going to see that it's a rectangle. Now the way that we want the rectangle to be is so that it's lengthwise going across the side to side on the vehicle. Now on each of the forward corners, all you want to do is just take this elastic area and put it on each of your forward hooks. Slide right in here, find my inboard hook, slide her right on over that. Give it a little tug to make sure it's completely secured on there. That feels good. Now I'm going to make my way over and do the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. And now at this point, you're clear to go ahead and add your gear. You can put it underneath here, and this will hold it safely. You can adjust it as needed. Now, if for some reason you weren't using it at any time, you can go ahead and continue on by using something like this. We have these straps that come directly underneath here. You just bring it right around and then wrap it together. This would be handy for storing it or even putting gear inside of here that you wanted to keep separated.